Hi, welcome to Solar Astrognan. So today's topic is about the Abhijit Rasi. So Abhijit Rasi plays a very important role in the horoscope. So how to find out this Rasi is first most important thing. So Abhijit, you can understand by the word itself. Abhijit means to win over something. Generally, in a day, we have a Abhijit Muhurta in the exactly when the sun comes exact to the top of our head. That is in the afternoon. That is in the afternoon, exactly noon, 12 o'clock will be the Abhijit Lagna. As per the sunrise, you need to calculate the Abhijit Muhurta and all. So Abhijit Muhurta also it is considered very good, very auspicious Muhurta for doing any kind of activities like marriage, thread ceremony or any kind of housewarming or anything good, you can do it in the Abhijit Muhurta. And generally in our Hindu tradition also, Sri Ramanavami also, Lord Rama was born on the Abhijit Muhurta only, exactly in the mid of the day, 12 o'clock noon he has born. So he is born in the Abhijit Muhurta. So, where you can say if the person is born exactly in the 12 noon, we can see that from the ascendant, the sun will be having Digbala, that he will be in the 10th position. So that you can say by seeing the time also, you can say that where the sun will be positioned in this chart. So coming to the Abhijit Rasi, so wherever the sun is there, from there you need to count four from there. So that is the Abhijit Rasi you can call. Why this Abhijit Rasi is used in our horoscope is, so if you want the name and fame, any kind of because every person will be interested in getting a name and fame. So if you want very good fame and name, very good name, good fame you want, then you can opt this Abhijit Rasi, and whichever that Rasi is donating, you need to do that kind of activity. So that shows the you will be in a very good position, or you will be in a kingly position where everybody will see at you, and you will be in a very administrative position, I can say. Or that depends upon the Digbala, how that Digbala is there and all. Everything other also will matter that, because if at all that wherever the Abhijit Rasi is there, if that Lord is very strong to you, then you will be in very good position. So I will take you to the example of a celebrity where everybody is known to, everybody can know him. If you take the chart of the Bruce Lee, he is very much known to everybody. Bruce Lee, see, he is in his he is a Miduna Lagna, that is Gemini ascendant, and the sixth, the sun is located in the sixth place. Okay, but he is known for which thing? Generally, Bruce is known for his body activity, that is for his fight, for his action, and everything. The martial arts. He is known for his martial arts. So anything related to the physical, this thing. So because the fight is related to the physical activity and all. So if you see from the sun, if you count from here, his places sun is positioned in Scorpio. From Scorpio, if you count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the Aruda Lagna, you can see AL here. So the Abhijit Lagna is coming as the Aruda Lagna. So here you can see Aruda Lagna itself tells our physical activities and everything physical. It is shown as the Aruda Lagna. So you can see that Bruce Lee is known for his own body only. His action, his kickboxing, and all whatever the fight he does, it is famous. So he is known for his martial arts. So that is how the Abhijit Rasi will work. So if you take your own chart also, you need to test. If at all it is falling in, Abhijit Rasi is falling in the ascendant, surely you will be in a very good position. But the time also should come according to the dasha, and dashas also it will take some time. So when that time will come, that depends upon the dasha that comes to you. But whatever it is there, if at all, whichever place the Abhijit Rasi is coming, there you can be very proficient, like you'll be known for that one. Okay, so you need to test it in the charts and give me your comment in the comment section, and I'll come up with many more videos. Thank you.